p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.25 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Muscle Shoals, Russellville, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Town Creek, Libreville, Layton, Cortland, North Cortland, Hillsborough, Colbert Heights, LaGrange, Northwest Alabama Regional Airport, White Oak, New Bethel, Crooked Oak, Halsey Loop, Northeast Smith, Red Rock, and Sigley Church. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the danger